So here if I'll give the command Jupyter notebook, so this will run and open the Jupyter notebook itself in the browser. Yes, here it is. So here I'll be going to open a new notebook. So I'm going to select this. Here, let's focus on pandas. Pandas are basically two dimensional uh, data structures, I would say, that represents data in two dimensions, rows and columns. So, for example, if I'll create a dictionary which has, let's say, name column, and it has names such as Ram, then we have, let's say, Sham, then we have, let's say, Hari, then we have, let's say, Krishna. All right. So this I'll be passing it as a list to this name key value. Sorry, my bad. I just did this and this. And I'll have a name. Let's say I'll have a column called salary, which will have values, let's say 20,000 and 50,000 and 30,000 and 60,000. And yes, that's it. Four names and four columns. So if this is a dictionary, so if I'll pass this dictionary to a data frame, so how this is going to be like, for that I have to do an import pandas is PD. This is already installed. If you haven't installed, please do pip install pandas and that will do the job. So here if I'm doing let's say data frame, I'm creating a variable data frame, I'm assigning PD. PD is here short form of alias of pandas, I would say. PD dot data frame. Then I'll pass the dictionary ticked. Let's say we'll call ticked 1. Ticked is already an existing thing in Python, so we'll call ticked 1. So this will create a data frame, and if I'll just want to see the data frame, I'll just type TF. Let's see and run. Here it is. So this is what it is showing. Name column and salary column, two columns came up, in which this is called index. This part 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the name column and this is the existing salary column. This is the first thing. So what if I want to write this data, this data into an Excel file? So what I'll do, df dot to underscore Excel. If I'll do that, I'll give the file name first file dot xlsx. That's the extension, and I think that will do. Yeah, so if I'll run this, yeah, there is no error, and it's supposed to open a file, first underscore file, in the directory. So if I'll search first underscore file, it should show me XLSX. I'm searching in the entire, no, first underscore file. Yes, but I'm not able to find it. Okay, let me search manually and see how it goes. So if I'll go to here, this is where I have here, see, first underscore file. If I'll open this, see, it has done the same indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, name and salary. This is like very, very basic, what do you call, basic syntax and basic operations in Pandas.